Use Jamaican black castor oil for hair growth. The benefits of castor oil: it thickens hair, stimulates hair growth, nourish follicles, prevent dandruff, grow longer eyelashes, thickens eyebrows, purify the blackheads, work as a skin cleanser, hydrate skin, and treat the acne scars. How to use Jamaican black castor oil for fast hair growth. Mix 1 teaspoon of JBCO and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. You can add 3 drops of rosemary essential oil to the mix also. Then put the mixed oil in a small jar or a bowl and heat it by keeping it in a bigger bowl of hot water for few seconds. Massage the oil in the roots all over the hair properly and leave it overnight or half hour before shower. Wash it with a mild shampoo. You can apply this oil mix 3 to 4 times a week and see the results in a month's time.